Welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that is being shared is of our opinion and not an advice to enter the market. Okay, guys, I would like to wish all of you a happy new year, and may this year will be a fruitful year for you guys, especially in trading. Okay, so before we begin, let's begin our year right. So you need to put some schedule for your learning and trading hours. Okay, so what we have missed for the last 2 years, as you can see over here. Okay, last year gold in the monthly chart, as you can see, gold have just risen all the way up. And the year before, same goes. Okay, so this year we are expecting a bull run as well. Okay, due to the fundamental news that US is going to have their Federal Reserve Jerome Powell change, and the new chairman for the Fed is pro Trump, which want the US dollar to be weakened. And due to the geopolitical events, especially the latest in Venezuela and now in some other states like Greenland, the central bank are getting nervous. So there is a potential that they are going to snatch up more gold. So potentially we are looking at the year going to be bullish, but of course we use fundamental and technical alongside to actually trade the market. Okay, so hopefully this year is going to be an easy year again. Okay, for the last 2 years. So for the last 2 years, we have seen a number of our traders in our community have achieved some success or their goals. Okay, from the very easy market to trade. Okay, and hopefully you guys see it. And for those who have missed the opportunity, do not throw this year away, because this year there is another potential of it's going to be an easy market that you can actually grow your account easily. Okay, so I hope the chart give you even more conviction to for you to spend some time to be disciplined in your finance education. Okay, next I'm going through the chart on how we are going to achieve our goals. Okay guys, before we take a revision on the trading strategy, we need to plan our money management, okay, on how to actually expose our risk, okay, and how much capital we want to put aside. Okay, for example over here, okay, if your account size is at 1,000 and if you want to risk 1%, okay, I will not go through the rest, okay, and one day you just try to execute between 1 to 3 trades. Okay, so I take an average of 2 trades per day. Okay, so you will experience about 20% profit, okay, with a data of 50% winning probability. So this is the trading projection. Okay, so 1% risk is extremely safe, the lowest risk that we can have. So within 1 year, you will experience a growth of about $7,400 USD. Okay, and in about 2 years is about 66,000, okay, USD. So this is a plan for you to grow your account. Okay, but as for the couple of years back, okay, most of the trader, what they are aiming for is that they, after growing the account, they become very nervous, or there's some pressure. So what they want is about every month about 5,000 USD. Okay, so within 19 months, okay, your account from 1,000 grow to about 26,000, and every month you will have a projection of about 5,300 USD. So majority of the trader, okay, after reviewing their trading plan, along the way they change. Okay, some of them want 5,000, some want about 10,000 USD. Okay, and we do have some traders, okay, they are already experienced in market. So they straight away begin the year with funding of about 10,000, so that they can actually have a monthly income of about 5,000 to about 8,000 USD. Okay, so these are the plan that you need to do, okay, before you actually begin trading. Okay, after identifying that this is a good year, potential good year, and you need to plan your money management so that your account will not wipe out. Okay, so 1%, if you risk, you have about 100 trades. If you're risking about 2%, it's about 50 trades. So this is for most of you guys, I think, an experienced trader, this is a good way to actually grow your account. Okay, because it's still a very low risk. If you are not emotional, you enter one entry or two entry per day, you will actually can sustain your emotional as a trader. So as you can see over here, if you have $1,000, risk 2%, you have about 50 trades. So in about 8 months to 9 months, okay, if you don't intend to grow your account, you will experience about 6,000 to 8,000 USD. So it's pretty fast actually for you to achieve your goal with a $1,000 capital, which is very low if you were to put into consideration of businesses or other investment. Okay, but if you want to grow your account slowly and steadily, okay, within about 22 months you will reach your 1.17 million. Okay, so it is a well balanced kind of risk exposure, okay, which I think a lot of our traders are taking about 2%. Okay, so you can consider this. And the next one is about 3%. Okay, 3%, you have about 33 trades. Okay, 33 trades, meaning if you trade, you experience 33 loss consecutively, your $1,000 USD will be gone, okay, or wipe out. So in years of trading and assisting a trader, I've never seen a trader who experienced 33 trades loss consecutively. Okay, so meaning it's still very safe. So for those who are a high risk trader, you like to have a multiple entry. Okay, so I suggest that rather than having a multiple entry, why not enter at 3%, just a single entry? Single entry, profit or loss, profit or loss. Okay, because the winning probability over here is 50-50. Okay, so I think that is much safer than you enter a multiple entry at per trade. Okay, so as you can see over here, $1,000, okay, within 7 months or even 6 months. Okay, 6 months you can have every month a projection of about 6,200 USD. So it's very fast for you to achieve this and for you to have an extra income or even replace your current job, okay, for most. And as you can see over here, within 60 months you can actually experience a gain of about 1.15 million. So I think this is a very good trading plan as well. Okay, for those who want this trading plan, you can contact me and I will give it to you. So now you all already know that this year is potentially a good year for gold as well. It may rally and you have your trading plan. Okay, so what you need to do is to get your funds ready and your trading account all ready. At the same time, so I would like to share with you guys that a lot of trading platform out there are having issues. They are closing down and there's a lot of issues. So I encourage you to do your due diligence, okay, because it will be wasted if you have already put a lot of effort for the 16 months and by then you want to withdraw your funds and you are unable to. Okay, so it can be very frustrating. I think some of our members have experienced that. So my advice is you can ask me what are the potential good platform for you to use. Okay, next we are going to the strategy. I'm going to show you the strategy how to achieve what we are setting out for, okay, for this year. Okay guys, so this is our trading system, the enhanced Novak trading system. So I'm going to just go through the basic recap for you guys, okay, especially for those who have not have the trading system. Okay, so on the left over here, what we're going to do, how we're going to achieve our plan as shown just now. Okay, over here we will look at H4. I think most of you guys are working, so what you can do is just look at every 4 hours. Okay, so which is easy for you to do. Okay, so what we are going to do is first of all we're going to look at H4. Okay, so H4, just recap again. So this is the Tenkan-sen line. Let me just press. Okay, so whenever the candlestick is above the line, we look for a buy. Okay, below the line we look for sell, above the line we look for a buy. Okay, easy. Okay, easy. So in order to make this rule even more solid, okay, so we add another line, that is the Kijun-sen line. Okay, same theory. Whenever the candlestick is above these 2 lines, just now was just 1 line, 2 line, it tell us is a better setup. Okay, it's a better setup over here. Okay, so we are supposed to look for buy. Below over here, in between, it's been sandwiched between this blue and red line. Okay, so meaning the quality is not so good. Okay, so now it is above, right? Not it is above these 2 lines. So to look for a buy is even better. okay, it's even better. So very simple, guys. You just look candlestick above 2 line, okay. So the next candle, the next 4 hours, we are looking to look for a long, okay, or a buy. So next one, okay, this is the Kumo or the cloud, okay. To make it even much more solid, meaning we want the candlestick to be above the blue line, the red line, and the Kumo or the cloud. So it gives us a better, a solid entry, meaning we can enter even with better conviction because there's more consolidation or more information is being fed to us, okay. So over here you can see that it is above all these 3 line and the cloud, okay. So and once we have that over here, okay, it's above, and we see the Novak flow and trend is in blue, okay, meaning okay, it's good. We are supposed to look for a buy. So where we look for a buy, we look for a buy at M15, okay. So imagine this H4 candle is already closed. So over here, okay, as you can see over here, next candle you are supposed to look for a buy. Okay, everything all is in blue. At M15, what we're supposed to look for, okay, there's 2 types of entry. Okay, Novak will give a aggressive entry, okay, meaning it tell you earlier. So over here you can see that there's an arrow, okay, there's an arrow. Novak flow and trend is in blue, okay, so it's telling us that okay, there is a potential entry. So this is about 50-50, okay. To make it even much more solid, you will see this dotted line start to appear, meaning there is a potential support over here, okay. So it give you even more consolidation. And next what we do is, if you do not want to enter over here, you wait until the candlestick close above this line. So the theory is the same, above the blue line, above the red line, above the cloud, and you have the Novak flow and trend is in blue, you enter, okay. So for Novak entry, whenever you enter, usually the price or the candlestick rarely retraces. It will just go zoom up. So meaning you have less heart attack or anxiety as a trader. Okay, it will just go up very fast. So over here you can see it goes until 200 pip. So if you were to raise 50 pip, okay, like just now, 50 or even 100 pips, okay, you can achieve 1:4 or 1:2. Okay, so that one I will teach you guys for those who want to be in this program. I think open to only 30 packs for this year because I can't handle too many. You can contact me so that not only I will teach you personally, individually online, okay, I will set a group, a Telegram group whereby whenever there is a potential entry, will be heads up to you. Okay, then you just follow your money management and your risk appetite for you to enter. Okay, so that is the plan. Very simple. Basically, look at H4. The candlestick is above all these 3 lines and the cloud. Over here is the same. Okay, it's the same, and you just enter a buy and you can achieve your target. Okay, so for those who have more time, okay, I will even teach you to have more entry every day so that you can actually achieve your goal faster. Okay, so you can contact me, and at the same time our hedge fund program is still open for free. Those who can trade, you can trade, and once you can have produced a good result for 3 months or 6 months, you can let me know, and I will just share it to my friends in the hedge fund industry, whether to train you or take you so that you can trade $1 million account, so that you can achieve your goal of about 5 to 6 figure income every month. Okay, I wish you guys all the best. So for those who want to be in this program, contact me quickly because it's only open for the first 30. And once again, I thank you for all your support this year, and I hope to support you guys throughout this year, and potentially this year may be my last year on supporting you guys, as I potentially will be retiring soon. So I once again thank you, and hopefully I can support you guys for this final year. Okay, once again thank you, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.